Cosmo. Cosmo is...
Oh, I think he's going to try to...
Cosmo is 6 weeks old, and he came.
That's cute.
He came home today, and he just got finished eating and probably has to go to the bathroom soon. He's very jumpy. Mom, you're in the photo.
Well, I'm trying to catch him in case he needs to go.
His name, Cosmo. He's not trained yet and can't go outside.
For
So-
2 more days.
For 2 more days, so he might go in the house. So that's why. Cosmo! Look up! Buddy!
Oh, Cosmo.
Cosmo!
He doesn't know his name yet.
I know. What are you doing? He just got finished eating, and he was eating a ton. I'm going to zoom in. How do you zoom in this thing? Oh, yeah.
Where's this little ball? Here. That's cute, Danny. What you doing? He's like, what are you doing?
Hi, Cosmo.
Aw. Aw, that's cute, Danny.
Cosmo, come here.
Uh-huh.
Yes? Get a close up on. Okay,